Hey guys, this is Hector Vargas with Energy Independence Group. We're here at Intersolar 2020. I have Sean here with UNIRAC, one of our suppliers that we deal with on a daily basis. So he's going to tell us a little bit more about UNIRAC, who they are, and what they do for the solar industry.
Yeah, so UNIRAC's been around since 1998. We've outlived our warranty. We extended our warranty to 25 years. One of the only companies to actually do that. We also want to become partners with our customers rather than just being a racking company. We want to become that partner, that one-stop shop for our customers, for the service that we offer, the support, whether it's on the roof support, whether it's permitting support. We want to be that one-stop shop, and we have a product, whether it's commercial, we like ground mount products, we have residential products, so we have a mixture of everything that you possibly need in this industry.
Sean, let me ask you, what are the products that you guys mainly focus on and offer to the consumer as us?
Yeah, so I mean, on the commercial side of the operation, what we have is 3 different ballast flat roof products that we're able to use. We have a ground mount solution, so we have 2 different ground mount solutions, and we also have a residential solution that has any type of attachment, whether it's a tile roof, whether it's a metal roof, whether it's a comp shingle roof. We have different attachments. Our job is actually to make the install easier. So we actually look at making the install easier for the customer, and that's by getting new products for our comp shingle or getting new attachment points for metal roof that we just brought on. So we're always looking to be very innovative and able to make it easier for the installers.
We appreciate Sean's time today here at Intersolar 2020. And if you guys need anything, where can they be reaching you at?
They can always reach us at unirac.com, find everything on our website. They can always reach me directly. My email is sean.austin@unirac.com, and I will reach out and be the one to help you personally.